In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through a single word Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. With the app running, go to the upper left corner and open the main menu. Choose Open, browse to the PDF you want to edit, select it, and click Open again to bring it into view. Once your document is on screen, you're ready to use Acrobat's built-in annotation tools to apply a clean strike through to a single word. Look toward the left side panel and the icon toolbar around your document. You're looking for the text markup tools. If the panel is collapsed, hover or click to expand it so you can see the available tools. In the toolbar, find the option labeled Highlight Selected Text. This is the entry point for Acrobat's text markups. Click it to activate text selection mode. Next, open the same tools options and choose Strike Through. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a small arrow beside the highlight icon or in a mini menu that includes highlight, underline, and strike through. Select strike through so Acrobat knows you want to mark text for deletion rather than highlight it. Now move your cursor over the word you want to strike through. Click and drag precisely across that single word. If you need accuracy, zoom in first so you can avoid selecting extra spaces or punctuation. A quick tip, double-clicking often selects a whole word automatically, which makes this step faster, especially with longer or hyphenated words. When you release the mouse, Acrobat will immediately draw a line through the selected word to show the strike-through has been applied. If the mark looks slightly off, press undo and try again with a smaller or tighter drag so only the word you intend is affected. Remember, this strike-through is an annotation, which is perfect for reviews and revisions while keeping the original text intact. If you don't see the tool, make sure you're in a PDF with selectable text. Scanned images may need text recognition before markup tools can target individual words accurately. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF, access the text markup tools from the toolbar, switch from highlight to strike through, and drag across the one word you want to cross out. With these steps and a little zoom for precision, you'll get consistent, professional-looking strike throughs every time.